What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can use CoinMarketCap to buy cryptocurrency. CoinMarketCap is a leading cryptocurrency data aggregator that helps users track prices, market capitalization, and trading volumes of various cryptocurrencies. While it doesn't sell crypto directly, it provides valuable information on exchanges where you can buy your favorite digital assets. Here's how to get started. Create an account on a crypto exchange. Begin by selecting a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. While CoinMarketCap itself does not facilitate purchases, it provides a list of exchanges where cryptocurrencies are available. Register for an account on your chosen exchange by providing necessary information such as your email address and create a password. Ensure that the exchange supports the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Completing this step is crucial as it establishes your access to trading platforms where you can make purchases. Complete identity verification. After creating your account, you will need to undergo identity verification, commonly known as KYC. This process typically requires you to upload identification documents like a driver's license or passport. Some exchanges may also ask for proof of address. The verification process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days, depending on the exchange's policy and workload. Completing this step is essential for security and compliance with the regulations in the cryptocurrency market. Deposit funds into your account. Once your account is verified, the next step is to deposit funds. Most exchanges allow deposits via bank transfers, credit cards, or other payment methods. Ensure that you deposit enough fiat currency such as USD or Euros to cover your intended purchase amount plus any potential transaction fees. Check the minimum deposit requirements and choose the method that suits you best. This step is vital as it provides the capital needed for purchasing cryptocurrencies. Select and buy your cryptocurrency. Navigate to the market section of your chosen exchange and select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to buy and review the current market price. It's advisable to check market trends before finalizing your purchase to ensure that you are making an informed decision. Once satisfied with the details, confirm your purchase by clicking the Buy button. This step directly leads to acquiring the cryptocurrency of your choice. Secure your cryptocurrency. After purchasing, it's crucial to secure your new digital assets. You can either keep them in the exchange's built-in wallet or transfer them to a private wallet for enhanced security. If opting for a private wallet, consider using cold storage options like hardware wallets, which will offer better protection against cyber threats compared to hot wallets connected to the internet. This final step ensures that your investment remains safe from potential hacks or thefts in the volatile crypto environment. In conclusion, buying cryptocurrency through CoinMarketCap involves selecting a reliable exchange, completing verification, depositing funds, making your purchase, and securing your assets. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate the crypto market and invest in digital currencies effectively. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.